In this video, I will explain about sandwich paragraph, and then later I will talk about descriptive and expository paragraphs. I will start first with sandwich paragraph. As we can see in the screen, we see a picture of a sandwich or perhaps a hamburger. So what we call sandwich paragraph or hamburger paragraph is a paragraph which has the structure of that of hamburger or sandwich. At the top we have the bread, and then at the bottom we also have the bread, and then we have all the vegetables, the meat, the cheese in the middle, in between the bread. Using this analogy, we can develop a sandwich or hamburger paragraph. The top bread is what we call, and what we have learned previously, that is called topic sentence. A sentence that controls the whole idea of paragraph. And then at the bottom we have conclusion sentence, a sentence that concludes. So just like the bread in sandwich or hamburger, keeping all in between, all the vegetables and all the cheese and the meat together tidily, topic sentence and conclusion sentence keep the whole paragraph together. So this topic sentence and conclusion sentence keep the ideas of paragraph in one unity. So topic sentence and conclusion sentence have the same idea, but they are written in slightly different sentences. But the idea is the same. And then supporting sentences here, we have, for example, supporting sentence 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. Those are the meat, and then the cheese, and then the vegetables, the tomato. Those are the supports, the details of the paragraph. Remember that the details should be in accordance with the topic sentence. For example, if you have a topic sentence about the good things of a city, for example, Yogyakarta is a good place to live in, for example, then the supporting sentences should also talk about the good aspects of Yogyakarta. For example, you can talk about the people in Yogyakarta who are very nice. Talk about nice food with affordable price. Talk about the security. Talk about the perfect weather. You can also talk about, let's say, traditional vehicles, and then tourism objects to visit, those nice things. Of course, Yogyakarta has perhaps things that you don't like. It's possible, but because your topic sentence is talking about the good aspects of Yogyakarta, then the supporting sentences should support the topic sentence. Therefore, The supporting sentences should be in accordance to the topic sentence. If the topic sentence talks about the good aspects of Yogyakarta, then the supporting sentences should also elaborate the good aspects of Yogyakarta in terms of people, food, prices of things, and many other aspects. And then after that, you will need a conclusion sentence. You need to keep these vegetables and then meat together. So you will conclude your paragraph with one sentence, the closing. The closing should resemble the topic sentence, but can be with the addition of the supporting sentences. I will later show you the examples in paragraph. The next we'll talk about title of a paragraph. That is very important. Titles normally are in the form of noun phrases rather than a sentence. Titles should represent the whole paragraph. They are usually slightly similar in meaning with the topic sentence. Noun phrase, if you are wondering what is noun phrase, we have learned noun phrases in grammar class previously. Noun phrases are a combination of words forming a noun. Noun, for example, car, that is a word, a noun, car. Noun phrases, the example would be an expensive car, an old car. And then we have a noun, for example, table. We can say, for example, for noun phrases, expensive table, unique table, wooden table, and so on and so forth. So, for example, here we have topic sentence. Topic sentence, of course, the form is a sentence. My hometown, Yogyakarta, is a good place to live in. That is an example of a sentence. And then we write paragraph about it with this topic sentence, and then we make the title. What is the possible title? Here I suggest Yogyakarta, a good place to reside. It's not a sentence, it's what we call noun phrase. Yogyakarta, a good place to reside. Reside here means to live. Yeah, it's just a variation. So the key that we can take away from this is, first, when you write a paragraph, don't forget to write the title. Second, the form of the title is in noun phrases, not a sentence. And then the third and the last one is the form of the noun phrases should resemble the topic sentence in terms of the meaning. So the title should resemble the topic sentence. So we can say, in other words, that the title is the noun phrase version of the topic sentence, and vice versa. The topic sentence is the sentence version of our title. That is very, very important to remember.